Nick, get in the car. Let's go right now. You're on my time, not yours. Let's go.
Why are you yelling, man?
Nick is one of the newer sales guys here at Chris Nickel, and I've seen the numbers. He's not doing so hot. So I decided to take him under my wing and show him my ways. Okay, so we're gonna role play real quick. I'm gonna be a customer. I'm gonna walk in and you're gonna show me how you greet them, okay?
Okay.
All right, ready?
How are you doing today, ma'am? I'm Nick.
Wrong. Okay, let's just swap places. I'll be the salesperson, you be the customer, and I'll show you how it's done. Okay? All right, ready? This is how you're gonna do it. Hey, can you afford to buy a car? Prove it. If so, prove it. Works every time. People laugh.
That's
You're supposed to
insane.
laugh. Okay, so here we have the worksheet. This is basically just the pricing, MSRP, discounts, warranties, etc. And then you're gonna go over the payment with them. So I'm gonna pretend to be the customer, you be the salesperson, and just go over this with me, okay?
Copy that. All right, MSRP on this vehicle is $58,539.
What's MSRP stand for?
I can't remember right now off the top of my head.
It's okay. No one actually knows what MSRP means. It was a trick question. Go ahead.
And after your vehicle trade-in, all the rebates and everything included, 60 months, you're looking at
I don't want to trade in my vehicle.
Whoa.
Relax, Nick. It was a joke.
Okay, 60 months, you're looking at $813 a month.
Okay, but what if I don't know how to drive?
Is this another crazy question, Ashlyn?
No, I'm being serious. People really will ask you these questions, and I'm just preparing you.
I've never in my whole life been asked that question.
Until now. Honestly, if I were you, I'd be writing this down. Go ahead.
Honestly, I think Ashlyn was just kind of bored sitting around doing nothing, so she offered to train me. And honestly, I figured I would humor everyone. I just really hope she goes to lunch soon. I don't want to do this much longer.
You know, it's almost lunchtime, but I guess we can knock out a test drive first. Come on, let's go. Okay, Nick, what's the first thing you do when you get in the car with the customer?
Talk about some features, have a conversation.
Wrong. You take them through the drive-through. Trust me, Nick, I've been doing this a long time. Going on 20 years of this. I think I would know what I was talking about.
20 years?
No. Okay. Is your ice cream machine working? Yes. Perfect. Can I do an ice cream cone? Okay. And then can I do a large fry? Do you want anything?
Yeah, can I get a McFlurry?
No, I got you.
Can I get a Oreo McFlurry, please?
Yes.
No cone, yeah, no cone.
No, yes, cone.
Oh, sorry. Yes, the ice cream cone and an Oreo McFlurry. My bad.
And a fry.
And a large fry, please.
You just didn't listen to me.
That'll be it?
Nick, you know what you didn't just do there? You didn't ask if he wanted to buy a car.
Are you in the market for a vehicle by chance?
I just bought.
Just bought one.
Do you feel better now? Yeah, you seemed a little tense in the showroom earlier.
Feeling way better now. Thanks, Ash.
You're welcome. You know, I've been meaning to tell you, Nick. You've been doing a good job lately.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, and just one more thing.
Yeah.
Don't forget to cash at me for that McFlurry.
Like $3.99, dude.
$3.99, not free $99, dude.
Broke.